to show you how to make a mini Optimus Prime, and these are the pieces you will need. Now I'm going to show you how to build him. First you take the legs, and you take these two pieces, like I showed you. You turn them to the side and put them together. And you put them right on the feet, so it looks like that. You take these two black studs and put them on the side. And I'll give you a second to pause if you need to catch up. Okay, now you need this piece. And put it right under there. You take this and you put it on so it looks like that. So it can do this when it transforms. You take these two pieces and put them on the back sideways so you see holes on the side, like that. Then you need these two pieces and slide them right in. Then you take two more, you can use black or gray studs. After this, I'll have you catch up. So, and you put the studs on, right on the sides. These are going to be his front wheels. So it looks like that. Now I'll give you a moment to catch up if you need to. Okay, so now you take this piece and put it right here. You take the two guns and put it right behind them, but they have to be turned two different ways like that. Then you take these two pieces, you snap the red part right on the front and stick it right in the middle, right there. And for the arms, you can use any color. I only have like black arms. I don't have like droids or Joe Grievous. I only have one Joe Grievous arm. So I'm using two black arms. And you put them on, you slide them on the other two sides, right by the head. And you have a Lego Optimus Prime built. Now I'll show you how to transform him. First, you put the arms up, head a bit down, and you curve the legs up like this, push the arms down, and put the head right in. And that's the Lego Optimus Prime. So, bye.